Hey everyone, today I am super excited because I am making a video about fixing the play tent of kids. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix the play tent. It looks so beautiful and so easy to make. So subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. First I unbox the material and name all of them like A, B and C. In the first steps, I am using the small 8 holes and 8 3-way connectors. Here I am connecting the poles in the connector to join them. I am placing the connectors one by one into the other pole. Now we are completing the lower portion of the tent. Now move towards the second step. In this second step, we take the long poles and stick them in the 3-way connectors on the bottom, like this. I am just sliding the lower portion and place the long holes on the connector. We have completing the second step. Now move toward the third step. Now we put 4-way connectors on each of the long poles. It should look like this. I am placing all the connectors on the poles. Now I am fixing the small poles with the connectors for the left side of one connector and the right side of another connector. Left and right is written on it. Join all of them like this. Oops. Now the next step. We take the long poles, put them on the 4-way connector. One by one, I am placing the long poles on the 4-way connector. Now I assemble the long poles and put all the long poles into the 8-way connector, placing one by one into the connector like this. Here we completed our play tent clay structure. Now in the last, we are going to putting the tent on this structure. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. I completed. Yahoo! I'm just showing the house. And the last important step, now slide the poles into the sleeves of a tent like this. I'm showing you a sleeves of a tent. Slide carefully on the both sides of the tent. Like this, I am sliding slowly from the bottom side of the tent toward the upper side. Yes. Yes, this is the final look of our tent. It looks so beautiful. Hello. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.